Hello, my swole babies. How are y'all doing today? I hope you're having a good ass day. So everybody's doing this push-up challenge, man, and I feel like it's about time Mama Swole hops on this push-up challenge train. And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below. So I'm gonna be doing the viral, popular little challenge that's going around right now. I'm gonna try to see how many push-ups I can do in 30 seconds. I originally saw Browney do this video first, and then I saw Greg's video, and apparently there's been a lot of other people doing them, but I haven't really seen any girls doing them, so I feel like I'm gonna be the first girly to make a video about this. So hopefully I won't end up being the only girly to make a video about this. Hopefully I can inspire more of you women out there to try this push-up challenge out. But also, on top of that, I've been looking up the world records for these push-up challenges. I was looking at this website called recordholders.com. I was trying to see if they have the most amount of push-ups that a woman has done in 30 seconds. And it looks like there's no record set yet. But I must say, I was intrigued by the other records that I found from this website. This is my favorite, with hands on raw eggs. I feel like I should try that. 112? Holy balls. I can't do 112 push-ups on raw eggs. But then that makes me wonder, like, how long did she have? Did she have like an entire year? What was the time frame on this? I need more information. And then we got one armed with hand on raw egg. 8. I don't even know if I could do a one-armed push-up. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try a variety in this video because I think it would be more fun. I think the ones we're gonna try are push-ups with hands on raw eggs, one armed push-up, and then the 30-second one that's been going around. I think this is gonna be a fun time. Let's see how many I can do in 30 seconds. How many guys think I could do? Place your bets now in the comments below. We'll find out if you're right. Let's get it, bitch. Let's warm up the old shoulders, right? Circles. This reminds me of gym class. We're gonna do the little circle, then we do the big circle. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? I have nothing to be nervous about. Let's do it. I'll be like here, and this would be like here, I guess. Tell me when.
Start. Stop.
Oh, I was so close to 30. Whoa, I got 28, right? I counted 28.
You got a lot.
Wow, I did it. I did good, guys. I'm proud of myself. I don't know if my form was good. I feel like it doesn't matter. I don't think anybody else's form was very good when they did it. Dude, my heart's like, that was fun, actually. Oh my gosh.
Do it again.
To try to get 30? Oh, I was kind of down. I was like, to get 30, I'll do it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try with one arm. I don't even know if I can do one. I don't think I need a timer yet. I'm gonna try to see if I can do at least one. Let's try. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Fuck. Okay, wait. I feel like a fool. Okay, wait. Maybe if I try the knee on the knee. Fuck. Oh no. Oh my god. Let me try it really hard. Let me get serious, okay? Okay, no. Okay, I can't do that. 1 egg, 2 eggs. What would you do if I dropped it before I even started? Okay, I don't know if this isn't for time, I guess, because it didn't say there's a time. I think it's just like how many until the eggs crack, I assume, right?
Or until you crack.
Until I crack. All right, ready? It's gonna be hard. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Fuck. Oh my god, that's really hard. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I can do more than one at least. Maybe I need to like move them back here. My feet here. My hands here. Oh god. What? That's the worst form in the world. Oh no. 1, 2, 3. 1. Fuck. 2. God damn. 3. 4. 5. No. Okay, we got 5 with the eggs. I know they didn't crack. That's a good thing, right?
I feel like you should crack them on the cement, but then we're gonna have a mess.
I know. All right, I challenge you guys to do the egg challenge and the one arm push-up challenge. I also have a special challenge that I made up all on my own. Should we get the stuff? Let's get the stuff. So next, folks, we have the handcuff push-up challenge. I challenge you all to do this. I made this challenge up all on my own. Here we go. Boom. So I'm gonna have to do this really close. This is gonna hurt my wrist so bad. Here we go. Let's see how many. I put them on a bit too tight. Here we go. Oh God. Okay, we got 7. We got 7, baby. Yay, aren't you proud? So if anybody gets more than 7, Suki. Alright, just keep on walking. Any of you can get more than 7, you will break the world record for most push-ups done with handcuffs on. So right now I hold the world record, I think. Yeah, hell yeah. That's something to be proud of. Should I just do the outro with these on? Fuck it, right? So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. And let's see if anybody else can beat Mama Swole's world record for the 30-second push-up challenge, the 1-arm push-up. Actually, I don't hold the world record for that, never mind. Or the egg one. So if any girlies out there want to try to do the push-up challenge, you have to get more than 28. So I wish you the best of luck. And you have to do it in the bathing suit. No excuses. If anyone tries the handcuff push-up challenge, make sure you tag me in it. And you have to get more than, what did I get, 7? I think I got 7. You have to get more than this number right here. That could be a girl or a guy. There you have it, folks. The first female fitness YouTuber to do the 30-second push-up challenge. I am the first, and I will always be the first. No one can take that title from me. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like. If you have any other suggestions for challenges I should try, make sure you comment below. And make sure you subscribe to see more from yours truly, Mama Swole. See you guys in the next one. Deuces. You have the key for this, right?
Huh?